Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Salesforce logins. First, log into your Salesforce account as an administrator. Navigate to the Setup menu, then locate Users under the Administration section. Click on New User to begin the process of adding a new individual to your organization. This initial step is crucial for granting access. Next, you'll fill in the user's personal details, including their first name, last name, and email address. Choose the correct user license based on their required access level within Salesforce. Then, assign a profile which dictates their baseline permissions and what they can see and do. This ensures they have the right foundational access. After assigning a profile, you can further refine access using permission sets for specific tasks or objects. This allows for more granular control beyond the profile. Also, set up robust password policies, including requirements for complexity and expiration. Strong password practices are vital for maintaining the security of your Salesforce environment and protecting sensitive data. Finally, activate the new user account, which will send an email to the user for password setup and login. Always review login history and monitor user activity to ensure compliance and security. For a different kind of upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.